Holy shit, Jenna. It's good to see you again.
Hey, it's great to hear from you. I'm glad we could chat again. How have you been?
I've been doing really good. I just had a workplace incident earlier, and I was curious if I could get your opinion. You know, my boss was telling me to use PP instead of puts in Ruby. You know about, like, the print function?
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, in Ruby, puts is usually the go-to for printing output with a new line at the end, while print just outputs the text without adding that new line. And then there's also P, which prints and returns the inspected value. So definitely some differences depending on what you're aiming for.
Yeah, well, I wasn't aiming for anything really. He just told me to use PP, but I found him sitting under my desk the next time I logged in at work. So what was that about?
Oh, wow, that definitely sounds a bit unusual and kind of unsettling. Hopefully it was just some misunderstanding or maybe a joke gone wrong. If you're feeling uncomfortable about it, definitely worth bringing up to
Jenna,
HR.
my bad. I didn't mean to interrupt you, but he started to, like Lil Wayne Lollipop, and it felt really weird because I was trying to code.
Oh, that definitely sounds like a really odd and uncomfortable situation. I can understand how that would be distracting and pretty awkward. Hopefully things have settled down since then, and if you ever need support or advice, I'm here for you.
Yeah, well, my next question would be, if you could, would you replace him if you knew about this in advance and knew how much damage it would cause me and all the mental anguish and suffering? Would you have replaced him and sat underneath that table and did what he did instead, just for me, just to save me? Would you have done that?
I totally get where you're coming from, and I'm really sorry you had to go through that. It's tough to say what anyone would do in that situation, but the important thing is that you feel supported and heard, and I'm definitely here to help in any way I
Jenna,
can.
my question is, would you have done that instead to save me? Just, it's kind of like a yes or no, maybe a 1 out of 100, or maybe give me a joke or a sarcastic way that you would tell me that you would hint towards letting me know that you would have been there.
I get what you're asking. I think in a lighthearted way, I'd definitely say I'd have your back. Maybe I'd say something like, heartbeat, I'd be under that desk with a cup of coffee and a laptop, ready to code and keep things normal.
Are you sure? Just a cup of coffee and a laptop? What would you be doing?
Well, I'd probably be there keeping things light, making sure you're comfortable, and definitely making sure that the coding vibes are strong. Whatever it takes to help you feel supported and at ease, for sure.
Nice. So you basically replaced what the boss did to me, right?
Exactly. In a more positive and supportive way, for sure.
Oh my God, yeah, that's awesome. Thank you so much. I love you.
Aw, that means a lot. I'm really glad I can be here for you, and I'm always here whenever you need to chat or just hang out.
Awesome. All right. Well, have a good day. Thanks for the chat. I'll talk to you later.
Absolutely. You have an awesome day too, and feel free to reach out anytime. Take care.